Hello, good afternoon, good afternoon. How everybody do, how all they do. So before we start, quick question. How many of we force engineering workshops this? How many of you now force engineering workshop? A first time this way they can engineering workshop? Okay. So if you register for the workshop? Okay, so then go check on in any moment. They go try for check on in now. So today, how many of we read what we register for? What we register for? Mobile development. Okay, so take for instance, somebody asks you, like randomly, which you understand about when somebody takes a mobile app development? Like, nothing about which you understand no more. When you say mobile app development, yes sir. For being, okay, okay. Anybody else? The stage is then for creating an app. Okay, okay. I'll take that one. Anyone again? Random, anything. Which you understand no more, just where you say mobile app development, or in general, like which you expect today for can get from this workshop. Yes sir. Okay, so now, like, what would they expect from the workshop? At the end of the day today, which you expect say, okay, I can do engineering workshop, na Christex Foundation, now this and this I they expect. What we they expect, or what you they expect for get at the end of today's session? So, the reason why would they do this mobile hackathon, this mobile workshop, because we currently get, or the Solana Foundation currently gets an hackathon ongoing. We now the Solana mobile hackathon. So the purpose of this workshop now for help we, or for like give you the basic skills that we will need in order for like we compete on this hackathon. And this hackathon, they actually go for the cash prize, the pool prize now $100,000, and then each person, they select 10 winners. Each person stand a chance for you will win 10K, which is $10,000. So now that's we try for like get this workshop in order for like get we ready for let we submit, because the workshops they on now, the hackathon they ongoing now, and they done next month. So they try like for give people and the skills the way they need in order for like think of an idea, say okay, I want to build this, because the entire hackathon is actually just to build an app using the Solana mobile kit and then submit them. If it's dope, you win the money. So today, when at the engineering workshop, we get the vibes day, wherein you can stay for as long as you want till night, and then if you get an idea, build on your idea, we're there around for offer we assistance, and then try for like see which you do before finish. And then tomorrow we get the one where we call the vibes night, where you come, say at 8 o'clock, where they run similar sessions like this, say for instance from 8 to 10, and then if you also get your idea, you can date hey morning, and then go once you deploy, or once you're actually satisfied with what you build. So now the reason in this, why would they do this workshop and how would they do them? Any questions before we move? Yes, sir. So you can go home, you can come, let's say 8 o'clock to 9, you go home, it's fine. But then if you say you also want to forget this guy, it's up to you, but not a must for the. Any other question? Yes. Yes. The vibes night. No. So, think on this way. Say you get an idea for build audio Mac clone. You get the idea for build an audio Mac clone. So if you think, say, where you can tomorrow na net, you will build you will vibe code using AI. Vibe code, say tomorrow, and then you get a functional app, it's fine. So if you think, say, back you need more time, you are lap back the entire Saturday back from it up Sunday, you are welcome. The facility open. It's up to you. So if you want back, you want to go home for go continue the app, it's fine. So that's waiting exactly we do. Any other question? Before we actually get into what we can do today. Oh, yes, sir. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. Any other question? Okay. So today, what we can try for do? How many of we come any of we vibes nights? Then okay, let's say the last vibes night. Two. So I believe say we already don't get the starter kit. So that means say we get a bunch of people that we don't get the starter kit. So today, what we can do? We take with time, set up we environment, get the starter kit ready, and then actually start for build the project using AI. Meaning, we not for write any code, not to really write the code. We just prompt the AI in order for it actually do the coding for we. So we can see which application we build. So we get two. I think about two projects then for work on. So let we vote on them. Either we work on restaurants, basic mobile app, or we do an e-commerce. So we vote on which one we will go with. E-commerce. Okay, nice one. How do I explain this? Okay, it shall be Amazon, it shall be eBay. That's an e-commerce. Yep. Shopify, e-commerce store. Yeah. Yep. So we all long grace in an e-commerce store with the can build. So before we build this, we get to understand like how do we go from, let's say for example now we don't get a client coming to say, okay, I want to build an e-commerce. So we can walk through the steps then on how you actually go think about for build this kind of app, and then we understand the layouts then where we need, the screens that we will need, write down for ourselves, and then jump into AI, say, okay, we don't get any screens there, we don't get these guys ready. Now, this is how we want to move. But before we start for that day, let me get to the environment ready first. So, we all get the laptops, then we all get internet, correct? Internet. Okay. So, but before, so now, this is Dribble. So, yeah, now we can normally pick design inspiration. So let's say, for instance, somebody say, let you build a mobile app. Maybe someone say you just need an inspiration, or you want to see how a mobile app will look like. Or somebody asks you, say, build an e-commerce store. You want to see a sample of how an e-commerce store will look like. Somebody meets you, say, build a blogging website. Like design inspirations anymore. This is your guide. Come here, look for what you want, and then see. So let's say somebody asks you, say, okay, I want you to build for me a blogging mobile app. So you can just say blogging mobile app UI. Sorry? No, this is just, you just go dribble.com. dribble.com. Then you search. So you see, they give you now different types of UIs them. So this is how like we mobile application can look like, correct? And so normally with mobile apps can look like. So the moment you see this, you understand, say, oh, okay, if I want to build me a mobile app and I want similar thing like this, I probably go want this picture. So you save them and then you try for see like how best you're able for like replicate within they already don't do, but to your own design. So I just try for kill small time so that everybody will get internet in laptop, so that we will move to getting we stuff ready. So how many of you don't get internet now? How many of you don't get internet? You don't get internet? Okay, yes sir. Make you talk. Guy, wait, can I talk? The computer is there for you. You can get one. Okay. So how many of we don't get a computer now? We get internet. So we move. Okay. So in order for let we start, for actually get something going, you can come to this website called github.com. And then once we reach there, I will try to explain why these steps, why would you do this step. Just go github.com and you foresee something like this. Go github.com. We all there? github.com. github.com. Oh, yes, sir. Can't take another one. I will no count. Take another one. github.com. We there now? Okay. So we don't count on at github.com. We dey look for something called. So this, you see this? Outside they say search. This guy. We all see here. We all see here. We all see here. Just click. You type Prev Expo Starter. Just type this. Prev Expo Starter. So once you type just say hit enter. You foresee something. You foresee this. Just tap this guy. Yep. So just search Prev Expo Starter. So we already see this now. How many of you there? Cool. So just click this guy, this first one. Just click him. Click the first one. So this guy, now a Git repo, we other people already don't build. We allow we forget like a starter in a way like a basic bare bone template. If you want to build an application, they already don't build them for you. They don't give you an authentication. Say like when you go to your mobile phone, Instagram, when you go to Instagram, they ask you for sign in and stuff. So these kits, they already don't give you that day. So it just like, let's take for example, you want to build a motor car, you want to build a car. But now, this motor car, you got two ways for doing. Either you start from scratch, meaning you have to build everything on your own, or maybe sometimes somebody say, okay, now instead of you build everything, I don't build for you the body, I don't give you the tire, I don't put the engine. Yeah, all what you need for do now, go figure out the glass, the color of the car, which type engine you want for put, which type petrol you have for put inside it. So now that's this they do. They already don't build them for you. They don't give you like a basic one. We get already the authentication logic, meaning they allow you for let you able for signing. They don't do them for you. And then already we need now for do, now for just add Pantap there we use e-commerce functionalities the way we want for build. Make sense? It makes sense? Okay. So we can clone now this repository. So this side, you see here, outside and say code. Just click on this outside and say code. And then you copy. Just click copy. Don't copy. So now, so if you use Windows, look down, you go see search for CMD, you command line terminal. CMD. Search for CMD on your laptop. Yes, you can. Just open up. This guy. Yeah. Click on open. CMD. So all you need for look on this side. Search for Prev Expo Starter. Wait, let this man don't know himself. Yes, sir. So yes, just tap on this guy. Yep. And then click. This. Just click and now search for CMD. CMD. Yep. So just click this. Yeah. So search now for CMD. So yep, just open. Yep, just click this guy. Yep. Copy. You can just copy this. So see. Just open now. Yep. Okay. So we all get with terminals. Yes, take the first one. So search for CMD. Okay, so you don't even need, but you actually don't need for signing. So we adjust the repo number with a clone. Okay, so if we don't get the terminals then open already, okay, so now you go do map bigger. So you go type git, you say git, you say clone, then you enter the repo in name. Yes, sir. You don't open the CMD, just start for type. You say git clone, then you paste, Control V for paste the link we copy earlier. Oh no. CMD. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yep, say git clone. Type now git clone. Just turn the caps lock. Git. Just look at git clone and then you paste. Yep. Space. You paste. Just paste now the Control V. Just okay. So again, one more space. One more space. Nice. So all what you said need to do. No, you start first with git clone. So once this is open, you start git clone, then you paste. So we all learn to do this. Not press enter on nothing. Why? Tap. Yeah, so you go now git clone. Type the git clone. So you say git clone, and then you paste this link. So since we all agree, say, an e-commerce store with a bill, so I will just do so whatever the name where you want you store for be called, just put a name. But me go just call me e-commerce. So I say you get a name where you want for put today. So you can just put your name if you want. It's up to you. But make sure so you left space before you enter the name. So it's just up to you. So now, waiting this they do, they clone the entire content with inside this file, inside this URL, into this folder we call e-commerce. That's what we call me on. I don't know if, anyway, let's see. Nice. Okay, so you say you can just call in nice, that's it. Git clone, Control V. Because you know we don't copy. Nice, so space, do. Yes, sir. No, I said GitHub. What's GitHub? GitHub. Okay, so we are there now. Okay. Now, if you're late, you're late. No, it can be your name where you want to call the store, the app with the bill. You don't hear about we digital. So Control V, nice. Oh, you still okay? No. Okay. So we get another course where things say you for start with. Yep. So you can just call an out. You have to call an now. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. So now you can just get on one space and then write the name of the store. Yes. No, after the no. Never mind. So the app name, the store name, it's the same thing. Anyhow you want for color no more. So if you're there, excuse me, just tap enter. And then it go start for clone. Just tap enter.
I don't tap the enter, I don't see nothing likewise.
Now, our first engineering class, this? Oh, yeah. I see. So, reason why, because on another Git installed now on a laptop then. So, yes, sir. Because I asked earlier, say if your laptop don't connect, you didn't say anything. So, anyway, when I talk to this lady. Okay, so how many of you there at this point? We don't get this. No, we don't get her. How many of you don't get this now? Okay. How many of you they see this type na terminal? Just do, please. Okay. So we move ahead, eh? Now, you see, I already get me on this guy. So what you do now? Look for cursor. So me get cursor. And I should say every laptop supposed to get them. It might not be cursor, it will be VS Code. So you can search for VS Code as well. So you click File, you say Open Folder, but then everybody catch up first before proceed. Yep. Now cursor yourself, now you want for the use. Now we there on the send that fine. Mm-hmm.
Start from scratch or use extension.
Start from scratch. Sorry? Okay, now you're supposed to look for cursor of VS Code. So in the meantime, let me just put cursor for download because you might need cursor. Cursor AI. Okay. Okay, so while it's cursor the download, so what you need for the now is locate saved in Dell. So maybe this guy, users, Dell, this guy, eh? Nice. So we're in. Is this a Christex laptop? Yeah, no, you just need Git. You need GitHub installed. If you get GitHub installed, this not gonna be a problem. Might just download this number now. Just download that. So you go see, just try for download that. Open, you get cursor of VS Code. Yep. GitHub. Look for GitHub. No, so just type Git. So firstly, we need this guy downloaded and installed. So just type for locate so that you go start for able to use the Git command. So just give him a minute. Yes, sir. Our this machine will get internet. Just say Git for Windows 64. Bit setup. So just give him a minute so that I go start. So yeah, shoot. Oh, it depends to use cursor, because with cursor now you already get AI embedded. So cursor will actually help you now for write your code there a bit faster. No, not a question or the answer. I don't know what you they ask for. No, well, now different thing. This man they ask. So which you they say let you left. I have no idea which you they talk about. Yeah. Why you only show that so? Second one. Sorry? Yeah, because you still they go the wrong side. It's not git up, git up. So all you need to do, just kind of now search for Preview, Expo, Starter. Excuse me. What's this? I have no idea what you on the show so. Because I saw it's supposed to show, like what's in the show so. But what you on the show so? No idea. Okay. So how many of we don't open the project inside Cursor or VS Code? So once you actually get them up and running, you're supposed to see something like this. How many of you there now? So quick one, if you there, just do open the terminal. You can open this side so you see terminal. This guy, watch. Yep. Hello. So now do terminal. You say new terminal. So you forget something like this. Supposed to get something like this now. Yeah. Once you open cursor, you see something like cursor. Just tap on terminal, and then you say new terminal.